Namaskar. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this hair tutorial for your classical based performance like Bharatnatyam or semi classical. You can also use this particular tutorial for your traditional wear like sari. I'm going to share with you some tips so your hair can stay put even when you're dancing, taking chakkas, or jumping. So stay tuned until the end and let's begin. To do this kind of hairstyle, we need this type of hair accessories like different types of rubbers or elastic bands, lots of U-pins, and the hairpin as well, and the net to cover the bun. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair in the middle. I like to do this because my bindi or the matha patti or even talai saman sits properly when you have a middle partition, but you can make a side partition as well. Now, I'm going to use this particular hair accessories, which gives you a little bit of height. So instead of having a flat head, I like to have a little bit height to top of my head, and also this helps you to hold your hair accessories like, as I said, matalai saman or bindi. I'm going to cover this with my hair. It has a velcro from both the sides, so your hair actually grabs those velcro and sits properly. Now make sure this is very clean, and I'm going to take the section of my hair and secure it with the pin. Now I'm going to take this particular part of my hair, okay, and then I'm going to secure it with a pin at the back. This is a very clean look bun. You can twist your hair as well if you feel like. I'm going to do that with the other section as well. Secure it with a pin. And now make sure that your hair are equally divided so it looks nice and clean. Now I'm going to grab my rest of the hair at the back and clean it up and detangle it a little bit. Also, now make sure where do you want to make a bun. Now, this is very important. Be careful. When you're tying the ponytail, make sure that where you are tying it, it has to be exactly in the middle of your ear. Otherwise, your bun will be too high or too low. If it is low, your neck movement will be restricted. If it is too high, it looks very funny. Okay. So now I'm going to take this velvet rubber band because my hair are very silky. Then I'm going to take this round, which will help us to create a bun, and also it adds up a volume. Okay, so I'm going to make it tight properly and secure it with U-pins. These hair accessories, you can get it on Amazon easily. I will link all the products in the description box below so you can check that. I like personally the velvet scrunchies because, as I said, my hair are very silky, so it slips off. Now I'm going to spread out my ponytail like this equally around that hair accessory which we just rounded up. And now I'm going to secure that with the elastic or the transparent rubber band. And I'm going to make sure that my hair are equally spread. Now, rest of the hair, I'm going to make two parts of it, to the right and to the left. So, right section will go over your head to the left, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. Make sure you put 2 3 pins around that so it doesn't slip off. Now, left section, I'm going to take it to the right, and again, I'm going to secure it with the bobby pin. Don't worry about the gap between your head and the bun. I'm going to tell you what to do with it. Okay. Now we are going to secure this bun with the net. So make sure that net is very thin so it doesn't look artificial. And we are going to cover it through all the hair strands and everything and secure it with the pins. So this is how it looks when you put the net around your bun, very clean and clear. From the front, it looks like this. Now, one more tip. Move your head as hard as you can and as fast as you can. See, now you know where do you need to fix it. You can also use hairspray. I generally use hairspray in my performances, so it gives me a clean and clear look of this particular hairstyle. So these two types of gajras I use, and I will link that in the description box below as well, where you can buy them. Now I'm going to show you how to tie the gajra. This is a particular gajra where it is a flexible one. So you can tie it like this, or you can put it like this as well. I'm going to give you a tip how to tie this gajra, because if you put lot of pins and the U pins, this particular gajra can get damaged, because this is a eco-friendly gajra. This is made of sola wood and not from plastic. You can buy this particular gajra on our website, Bhusha by Talank. I'll link it in the description box below. So you can take a bobby pin or hairpin and make a round like that. So secure that strand in your bobby pin from both sides and just put those bobby pins into the bun. So it will be secure and it won't go anywhere. Now, other option for this particular hairstyle is this kind of stiff gajra. Um, Actually, because it has a stiffness, you don't have to worry about falling it down. So you can use this as it is. Just take the two strands down and just secure it, tie a knot and place it properly, and you are good to go. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, do share it with your friends. And I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.